CEA advocates for the integration of the Colorado Growth Model into a systems approach to accountability and improvement that will help educators determine if students are on track to meet academic standards and to achieve college and career readiness. To me, that means teachers care a great deal about how their students grow. They take the students from where they are and then take them forward to where they need to be. It's not about everybody reaching the same standard, but it's very much about individual students reaching their potential. And this growth model allows for that to happen in that we're taking individual students to their greatest potential. And that is what CEA stands for. That's what the teachers of CEA stand for. It's about all of the students reaching their potential and reaching that ability to either choose to go to college if that's a path that they want to go, or choose to start their career right out of high school, which many students is the path that they would choose to do. So advocating for the growth model is a very important part of what CEA is about.